Good morning, guys. Welcome to August 5th. It is Friday. 3 things I want to talk to you guys about on this video. We're going to be talking about technical analysis of where we think crypto's going to go. And then I want to talk to you guys about peace. How do you trade with peace? How do you sleep at night with peace and wake up with peace in trading? It's something that a lot of traders don't have. There's a lot of anxiety that goes into trading. I'm telling you guys, I operate with a lot of peace in my life with trading, and it's based off some changes I've made. So I want to share that with you guys if you just need a little extra peace in your life. And then I'm going to end this video, guys, with some crazy announcements. And I'm going to show you guys some things that we've been working on, which we're going to be releasing Monday morning. So everybody stick around for that because it's going to be awesome. Okay, let's start with this technical analysis. I was just looking at this morning. Do you guys see something that's happened here? This price structure created a lower low, while during the same duration, well money flow actually started to move back up in the market. When you guys load price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion on your charts, you're going to be able to see this. So what do I conclude from this? I find it interesting because we actually saw it down here as well. What this actually is a form of divergence, and it's actually a bullish divergence. And I think that's partly why we're seeing it move up here this morning. What this indicator does is it looks at larger transactions that are placed on the exchange and ticker that you pull up on TradingView. So for this example, it would be BTC USD on Coinbase, okay? So I'm seeing this morning and I'm like, interesting. We actually see money flowing into the market here while we see the movements down, which is probably why we're getting a little bit of a jump here. And we're seeing a decent, move up on some of these coins, 6% on Link over here, VET up 5%. So here's what I'm looking at, guys. For Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'll keep it pretty simple. I'm just going to give us some targets this weekend. A Bitcoin, I think if we're going to start moving back up, the next strongest resistance is probably right here at wick value. It's going to be probably about 23,800. So I want you guys to watch out for that. I don't feel like this weekend we're going to have enough momentum to hit the really strong resistance, the one that everybody is obviously looking at, which is about 24,000, let's say 700, okay? That's the wick value high. I don't think we do have enough room up here to head up to the top here. Trend exhaustion can definitely head up. But I don't see it yet. Quickly giving you guys an idea for Ethereum. Ethereum did see a move up here, did not get close to resistance. If we go high this weekend, I don't think we're going to go any higher than about 1,800 for Ethereum. So just make sure you guys watch that. We've been looking at these two, and we've been placing bets in the background. Which ones are going to hit first? I think we got closer to 1,500, guys. And now we're starting to see this move up. By the way, if you guys are following me on the trend regression, this was a perfect bounce right here. It's basically taking the low here, the low there, and it's looking at the third touch, looking for that move back up. But let's see if the market has momentum to move back up. I'll leave you guys with this, and we'll go into the piece section of this video. 415, everybody knows this. Watch 415 this weekend. Here's something interesting. I'll leave a link to you guys in this video. I'll put up a little pop-up down here at the bottom so you can snag these indicators. You guys can get the bundle pack. There's a discount on them. But definitely load the price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion here. Interesting enough, as we correlate this back over to Bitcoin, where we saw this moving up in price, moving down, the lower lows. Let me show this to you guys right here real quick. We're talking about this area and it moving up. What we see on SPY is the opposite. We actually see money moving out of the market, which is his larger transactions, which we call the whale transactions. They're starting to move money out of the market. I believe this is a sign that whales are looking to bail out of this. It's a consolidating period for retail traders to accumulate trades, but I believe this is going to move to the downside and we're going to probably target around $400. Okay, we've seen this happen before where we start seeing money move out of the market when the price moves up, and it usually catches traders on the wrong side of the market. So taking a look over here, you can see, actually, let me do this for you guys. We'll do a vertical line. So you see a vertical line right here. See how price went up right there? At the same duration, you saw this move back down. This is what's called a trap, or what's sometimes called a bull trap. It's a bull trap with a double top over here. So as this started to move down, you guys can now use this indicator to say, okay, where are larger transactions going? Can I use this to predict the future? Yeah, you actually can fairly well. It's pretty neat, and you guys can come over here and put this on so you have price as well if you want to look at the price versus well money flow. But I sometimes like just using the well money flow and looking at structures. So that's kind of what I'm looking at for an analysis. Now, guys, talking about peace, and then I'm going to go into the big surprises we have here. I won't make this I'll try not to make a long video. Okay, guys, peace. When I wake up in the morning, I'll be honest with you guys. Take this back about honestly, just even like a month ago or so. I would wake up and I'd be like, okay, where's the market going? And I would just feel this underlying tension a little bit. And it was It was a tension of uncertainty of I don't know what's going to happen. Did I make the best call yesterday? Did I exit my positions in time? And I'll tell you guys, like, I have been waking up with so much more peace lately because of how we're trading. And this is what we're doing. We basically took our account, and we split it in half. Half of it is just sitting in the market. So if this crypto market just blasts up here, I'm not trying to trade in and out of the market. I'm not trying to scalp with it. I'm just going to leave it there. So if it goes up, we make money. And it's just such a good feeling because this other account over here, you take scalping trades with this. We're, as you guys have been seeing me do this on the channel, we're buying in, we're selling high, and then we're buying back in lower. So if I happen to not make a good exit or some reason it goes up before I get money back in, I've got the other account just totally pulling all the weight over here. And then when this goes down, I'm using this other account to acquire coins and then make more money as it goes back up. So what I've done is I split my account 50-50 into 50% is a long-term holding position, which if it goes up, guys, I celebrate. So I know I'm covered. Like, that's the peace I feel like I'm feeling every day when I wake up on these videos now, is that if it goes up, I'm going to make money in my account. Like, I cannot not make money if the market goes up because I'm going to make it over here. But if the market goes down and we start dropping, I'm just going to use this account to buy crypto lower. So I win both ways. It's a new type of trading that I don't feel like has been taught a lot, and I'm really trying to hone this in, guys. And I will probably talking about this more in our membership on our next Inside Tips meeting. So if you guys are over here and you guys subscribe, I'm going to be talking about this in our inner circle. All right, let's transition to the last part of this since we're on the pricing page. Guys, we're going to come out with some incredible changes, and I sent an email out to all of our members the other day. Guys, I understand the market right now and life in general is really difficult with financially for you guys, for everybody. We're in a recession. Things are very expensive. What we're going to do for everyone is we're going to drop our membership down to $75 a month. We want to take a stand on this. I know other businesses are, unfortunately, like restaurants, they're upping their prices. A lot of businesses are upping their prices. We want to take a stand here and be like, look, we're going to drop our membership down to $75 a month. Now, everybody who is on our membership at $95 a month, we are going to prorate all of you. So all of you guys are going to get a discount on your renewal. So you guys will actually, you will not miss out on anything. So keep your membership. Don't dispute any charges. Try to, cancel your membership and restart up again. Just leave everything where it's at, and I promise you everything will work out perfectly because everything's going to be prorated for you guys. So you'll see a big discount. Some of you guys may only be paying like $15 next month because of when we do the transition on Monday. So that's a big announcement, number one. Secondly, we are going to be releasing new metrics for our website that are going to be completely renewed. Normally, what we ended up showing to you guys is this. We have these charts over here. We show you 3 different ones. I'm not going to go into big time of what they are, but here's what I want to show you guys. We are drastically changing this to what's called crypto market reversals. And we are going to focus on one thing only, predicting the tops and the bottoms. Now, let me just say this first, guys. There's not an indicator in the world that is 100% accurate, but my buddy of mine, he's been coding indicators for 4 years, and this has been in the making for 4 years, guys. He sent it to me. He's like, Travis, I believe this is the world's best indicator to predict tops and bottoms for crypto and stocks. And I said, you know what? I'll kind of believe it when I see it. So I'm going to give you an example of Bitcoin. This metric has literally called every single top of this ascending channel in Bitcoin to the exact daily candle. This is going to be insane, guys, as well as it's called the bottoms here. On top of this, it called the exact bottom. We're going to change the background colors of these. It called the exact bottom of Ethereum. We're still working on coding all this in. You guys wake up Monday morning, this will look pristine and perfect on our website. We're going to do a ton of work today and over the weekend. But I wanted to give you guys like a little construction view site of what this is looking like. This is updated of this morning. We have not found a better metric out there. None of our metrics here that you can see, all of this right here, they don't use any oscillators. They don't use RSI, stochastic, MACD. This is not Bollinger Bands. This is not Keltner channels. Okay, guys? This is all mathematically coded with equations. That is where this sets this apart from anything else, because I've come out and I've looked at, okay, RSI is high, MACD is low, looking at MFI, the CCI, all these different indicators out there where you're trying to predict the tops. Like, I've done that, guys. I've worked for TradingView.com users and coded indicators for them, and I've tried that. My buddy Tony came up with a different algorithm that I've never seen coded before. And he's like, dude, I've literally worked on this for 4 years and I think it's finally ready. And then we tested it and we're like, this is absolutely ridiculous. So we are actually going to be releasing this on all 16 coins. And then we're going to actually add 4 more coins for you guys, which on Monday morning when you wake up, you're going to see the extra 4 coins added here. But it doesn't stop there. Another surprise that we have for you guys is we are going to be opening up another section of our website for stocks. A lot of you guys have been seeing me use this metric over here on the SPY. So we're looking at the SPY a lot. We have coded this same metric over here that I just showed you guys for crypto for the SPY. And it is ridiculous. It has called every single move up in the market. It called this move up here. It called this move up there, and it called a move down here. I'll show this to you guys on Monday morning when you wake up. You're actually going to see this. So we have coded something that, humbly I say this, I honestly I think will change the crypto trading world forever. And I think it will change the world for you guys who are trading stocks as well as options. Okay, you guys doing, calls and puts in the market. It's going to be a crazy Monday because everything's going to be refreshed. And on top of this, dropping this price down to $75, we're going to open up the whole stock area. And on top of just the SPY, guys, again, we're going to take this a little bit further. We are going to give you guys the top 19 stocks for the metric. I want to make this really clear, though. We are a crypto trading company. We just happen to have, I believe, one of the best metrics that has ever been coded for trading stocks and crypto. So we don't want you guys to miss out on it. So we'll create another membership here. We're not going to charge you $95 a month. We're not going to charge you $75 a month. We're only going to charge $49 a month. You guys will get access to all of the stocks for all the metrics, for all of you guys who want to take a look at that. But we're still mainly a crypto channel, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. We'll put, in the Telegram channel, we'll put a couple, posts out to say, hey, for all our options or stock traders out there, here's something you guys can look at for a YouTube video of some good calls we see. So we're going to be doing that, guys. I'm really, really excited for Monday to come. So we're going to get working really hard today. And if you have any questions, feel free to email us. But even if you guys subscribe today, you're just going to get prorated. I'll say this, guys. If you are looking to sign up, I would hold off until Monday morning. Until when you wake up and you see this go to $75, that will just help you save the most. So I'm not trying to sell you guys on a membership today. What I'm saying is Monday morning, come over here and get a membership then, and that is when you guys are going to get the greatest value. One last thing before we leave, we are going to be taking away the free membership here. I mean, you guys really just don't get anything with this. And so, we're going to be transitioning out to just have 2 memberships now. It's going to be for crypto and then for stocks, and everything is going to be updated here for you guys. And you can read all about this actually over here on the front page where it says big surprise. And I did a video showing all this to you guys. All right, I know it was a super long video. I'm sorry about that, but I hope I covered all that in there. Technical analysis, how to trade with peace, and the crazy updates we have coming. So Monday morning is going to be a really, 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 really awesome day. And make sure you guys get the indicators in the description. Those are not changing. You guys can get the indicators whenever you want because those are still going to be on discount over here for 82% off. You guys can snag those. All right, guys, I love you. God bless you. Have an amazing weekend. We'll see you Monday with some crazy, awesome updates, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.